Welcome, dear friends. Today is a day of joy and blessings. Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are blessed and secured to witness the wonders of Chukwu Okike Abiama, the creator of all life and language. You are truly empowered to be creative with your brains and 5 fingers through the existence of the wind, water and sand that's sustaining your life and monitors your activities without error to avoid blacklist after death. Be happy with your life and be kind to others so that you may find peace in the afterlife. Today is September 4th, 2024, and it's Orie market day in Igbo land. Be prosperous in your business and handwork to place food on your table. May the wind, water and sand, which know all that is good for human life, guide you and grant your requests for a better life. Ise, meaning so shall it be. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. Onye Ndu Ikuku Achineke, the messenger of truth and afterlife.